What are you doing skiing? You're really going to make me talk about skiing?
Well, here's Squaw Valley. Here's me. I'm teaching my kid and my au pair to ski. And I've been doing, so I just got hit by one. And I'm going to be doing Health 2 in 2.0 in our traditional year-end format from the mountains.
Fantastic. Okay, good. I'm glad that you got skied into. Let's see what else can hit you while we're doing this. Maybe some random tobogganer. That'd be great. Okay. Ready, because I am your best friend and take care of you while you're just there living the life. And the rest of us are stuck in their office. Are you ready? You're going to be fine, so talk fast, my friend.
I will.
All right, here we go. In case you missed any of the news in the last 4 weeks, Matthew Holt's going to catch you up. And go. All right, the ACA ruling. It's unconstitutional. What is happening?
No. So the only bit they say is unconstitutional and the most tortured bit of Republican lawyer logic I've heard in a long time is that the non-tax tax, which is the individual mandate, is unconstitutional. But they didn't rule the whole thing unconstitutional. They sent that back. My guess is this will play out. The Republicans will be terrified this will come out as an election issue anytime before the election because it's very, very unpopular what they're about to do. So I think this will get buried. My guess, I hope so.
I hope so too. All right, speaking of things that are settling, Sutter Health and their big settlement. Whoa, what is this? Did they get what they deserved?
Yeah, big settlement. What was it? 575 million, real number. Although basically about what they make in operating profits and what they made on the stock market this year, so not that much money. But they've actually, promised to behave much better. And this may be the first in a whole range of AGs, I think, statewide going after all those monopoly systems. And there's going to be intense pressure on those provider systems to be behaving better, less price charging, less out-of-network billing, and for that matter, even actually starting to be a bit more transparent about pricing is what the Trump administration wants. So first of many, and, Sutter's been making hay for a long while, but, they'll still get by. They still have 12 or 15 employees who make more than $1 million a year. They're probably going to be okay.
All right, about 30 seconds left. Bright Health raises a monster $600 million round. What is this for?
Yeah, well, they are building health plans with provider organizations. They've been around doing that for a while. They're one of the numerous sort of newfangled health plans trying that. But the problem is, $600 million sounds like a lot, but it's like a drop in the bucket to the profit of United and Optum.
Oh, well, then there you go. All right, and then last but not least, I hear that you have a rumor about something.
I have a rumor about an online pharmacy. Yes, online pharmacy. And what was that name you just said?
SoftBank money.
So I hear a rumor that there's another $250 million going to land and be announced next week, in which SoftBank is getting an online pharmacy. You may remember that they've done a few other things like Uber, and there's an office company called WeWork, I understand. But they're still making investments, and they made a big investment, $500 million into Collective, which was a sort of planned TPA as well. Or was it Clover?
No, it's Collective.
It was Collective. Right.
Yeah, it's Collective.
So they're still interested. So there's still some SoftBank money floating around. So if you want to get hands on that Saudi money by way of a Korean man based in Japan, it's still possible.
Yes. Did you hear this rumor on the ski slopes with all the other investment bankers who have...
I may have heard it at a drunken party somewhere in the Bay Area, Squaw Valley. Who knows?
To live the life of Matthew Holt. To live the life.
It's a tough life, but someone's going to live it.
Well, if you want to follow all of the angry episodes of our friend Matthew, you can follow him on Twitter. He is @BoltyBoy. Maybe he'll shout you out from the top of a mountain. Sound of Music style. Who knows? If you want to follow me, I'm @Jess. Both of those things are on Twitter. And of course, you should sign up for the Healthcare Box e-newsletter to get cute little episodes of Matthew skiing and me working diligently, delivered right to your inbox if you're sitting in front of it like some of us are. Matthew, have some fun.
So Jess, I wish you and everyone watching a very happy 2020.
Oh my God.
We're out of the teens, we're into the 20s. We're kind of growing up as a decade, as a century. It's not going well so
Oh
far.
my
We'll
God,
see
we'll
what
see
happens.
everybody at JP Morgan, but before, you'll see us before then, but for sure, we're looking forward to that.
Yeah, it's delayed a week again this week, so we have to rush back from the ski slopes quite so soon. But there's a week of grace. But CES is doing some stuff. I'm getting a lot of interest about that. Someone sent me an email about a robot that chases elderly people around the house today. And there's bound to be more random stuff like that at CES. And then JP Morgan will be crazy as ever. We'll see you there.
Can't wait. Enjoy those slopes. We'll see you soon. Bye, everybody. Happy New Year.